Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oni Best and you're welcome to Oni Best Beauty Patente B. So guys, in today's video we'll be talking about SEMAFORO the onda verde. Okay, now this particular SEMAFORO, it is not an obligation. It is you're just advised. It is consigliere, meaning you are just advised to go in this particular speed. Okay, I'm going to explain. I'm going to read through, explain, and I'm going to show you a picture that's going to give you a better explanation as well. Okay, now, so guys, I'm going to read it. SEMAFORO di onda verde sono semafori sincronizzati e sono installati su itinerari a più incrocio. Now, this type of semaphore, they put on for road to say they get more junctions. Okay, it gets plenty junctions. Means you're going to see junction here, junction another place, a more junction. Now, this type of semaphore, when you see them on, they only on one. It's not going to on the three at the same time. So either 50 is on, either 40 is on, either 30 is on. Okay, not the three at the same time, or even two. No, it's going to on one. Now, se consigliano al conducente di mantenere la velocità indicata da simbolo luminoso acceso, per trovare la luce verde ai semafori successivi. Usi fuori da onda verde. Now, this semaphore, what it's telling you, it advises you, maintain this particular speed, whichever one that owns, maintain this particular speed for you to be able to meet the next semaphore to be green. Okay, so this type of semaphore is being placed at a road that has so many junctions. Now this road gets semaphore. Now for you to meet this semaphore at a green light, try obey the one with this one on. Be it 30, be it 40, be it 50. So if you on 30, maintain 30. The next traffic light you want to see is going to be green light. It's going to help you buy time. Now, by the time you're meeting the next traffic, it's going to be a green light. So there'll be no need for you to stop at a red light again. Okay, so I'm going to explain, don't worry. Now, this is SEMAFORO di onda verde. You see, that's how it's going to on, one at a time. Either on 40, or on 50, okay, or on 30. It's not going to on the three at the same time. Now, when you see them like that, for road, for example, you're driving with this car, then you see semaphore under verde, it on 30 like this here. What is it telling you? Maintain this your 30. Because this place, they put up for road, we get more junction. When you maintain your 30 and you're going to meet this traffic light here to be green light. When you maintain whatever number it ons here, is you're going to meet the next traffic light, it will be green for you to go. It will be green for you to go. When it ons 40, when this semaphore the onda verde, when it ons 40, and you're maintaining your 40, to get to the next semaphore. That next semaphore you want to go, well, you maintain 40 from the point of the place you take the see they come. The next thing you're going to meet this traffic light here to be verde. Okay, so thereby you don't need to stop and wait again. So you're going to meet the next traffic light to be verde. So whichever numbers it's on, just maintain that speed to meet the next traffic light to be verde. Okay, that is what it is for. Remember that you're not obliged. They don't force you. So when you see I'm on 30, you can go 40, you can go 50. When you see I'm on 40, you can even go 30. You can go whatever speed you want to go to. But make sure, say, as you respect under verde, you're going to meet the next one to be green. Master. Okay, I think that's the best explanation I can give based on semaphore under verde. Guys, please like my video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, turn the notification bell on so that as soon as I'm posting a video, you will be notified. Even when I'm coming live, you're going to be notified. Okay, thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.